Wow. Yo. Mm, I like it. I love it. I love it. Listen, if you're concerned about your water being unclean and you want to save money, this is like one of the best things in sliced bread. Definitely check it out. And here's the good part. You're going to get a 15% discount when you click the link in my description. It's going to take you to the website. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Kegonskitchen. For today's video, I'll be doing some unboxing. I'll be unboxing some gifts that I received from my friends over at epicwaterfilters.com. All right, so we're going to start the video off by showing you guys the first one. So this is a water bottle that I received. All right, rip the plastic off. Wow, this is nice. It's pretty. Nice little, design, colorful design. This is a beautiful package, by the way. Beautiful package. All right, so it says the filter removes metal, lead, PFAS, VOCs, pesticides, microplastic, chlorine, and pharmaceuticals. All right, it's BPA-free plastic. Drink any fresh water. Take a look for yourself. What else? Let's see. It says each filter replaces 550 single-use plastic water bottles. That's a lot. And if you drink water like I drink water like a few bottles every day. I don't drink a gallon or anything like that, but I do, consume at least 3 bottles per day. So I'll probably go through a whole 32 case for the week. And if you do the math, like a case of purified water is like maybe $5, close to $5. And if you multiply that by, let's see, that's like, I would say about $85, $85 um, that I'm saving pretty much if I decide to use this bottle right here. Because that's 550 single use. So that's a lot of money you're saving um, when you're thinking about costs. All right. So now let's look at the back. Let's read. So it also removes 200 plus contaminants. It's a dual layer core exchange technology. Filter life 75 gallons, 3 to 4 months. So the filter in this bottle right here, it lasts 3 to 4 months. That's a long time, if you ask me. So you don't have to change the filter until 3 to 4 months. That's pretty much what that is saying. It's 100% made in the U.S. All right, so if you're all about buying products U.S. made, this is one of them right here. All right. What else? Yeah, so it also removes contaminants that cause illness. It's there's no metal free, chlorine, it's all that good stuff. So the way it works is, I'm just going to read from the label as well, guys. It says the filter works best when the media has been, no, this filter works best when the media has been pre-saturated with water. Remove the filter cartridge from the filter bottle by turning the straw adapter counterclockwise to the unlock position. All right. So let's remove the cover real quick. It's pretty sturdy. It's pretty sturdy, guys. You can tell this is like not no cheap material. All right. Take that off. And this is the straw that comes with it. All right. This is the Everywhere filter, Everywhere water filter. All right. Let's see what it says. Okay. Remove the plastic. And we're also going to rinse this off, before we start adding any water and testing it out. All right. So I just want to make sure I'm doing it the right way. Let's see here. So in order to activate the filter, right? This is the filter right here. Please soak the filter in a bowl of filtered water for 5 minutes. All right. If you do not have access to filter water, please run water over the outside of the filter via your tap. Do this for at least 60 seconds. All right, y'all. So I just noticed that there's two filters that came with the water bottle, right? This is the water bottle. And this one automatically is installed with the everywhere filter, right? Means you can add any type of water to it, like fresh water. Maybe you go to the river or wherever fresh water, is available. All right. So now, in order to remove the filter, you would have to turn it counterclockwise. Remove the filter. This one is for the tap water. This is the every tap filter right here. All right. So we're pretty much going to do the same thing. It says tap water use only. So in order to install this one, you will do this. Remove this right here. Add. Just push it down and turn clockwise in order to close the lid. All right. Now we're going to set this aside because we're not going to need this right now unless we're out, in the outdoors and, we want to get some fresh water. That's when we'll pop this right in and use it. So now we're going to soak this for 60 seconds under some tap water. Let's go. All right. So let's do it for 60 seconds, guys. All right. I think we're good. I think we are good. All right. I'm going to rinse the straw off real quick. Rinse the bottle out. I want to make sure everything is nice and clean, nicely filtered. All right, so now we're going to pop the straw right in, just like that. Make sure it's nice and firm. We're going to do the same thing to the top. All right, I think we're good. And now we're going to add our tap water. Let's go. Not hot water, but room temperature. And you want to leave enough. You're not going to like fill it all the way up to the brim, but maybe 3/4 of the way up because you want to leave some space. That is it. It's looking good. All right, so let's take a little taste. Wow, refreshing, guys. Wow, yo, I can taste the difference. Trust me, this is like magic right here. Nice. Let me tell you guys, you will taste the difference once you use this water filter right here, the Epic water filter. You're gonna taste the difference with the tap water. Trust me, it's not the same. I'm already smelling like a funky smell, scent from the actual water, the tap water, the chlorine, the metal. You're tasting that pipe flavor. It's not the same, guys. Trust me. No, this right here, big difference. You can taste the quality, like crystal clear right here, man. I like it. I love it. I love it. Listen, if you're concerned about like, your water being unclean and you want to save money, this is like one of the best things in sliced bread. Definitely check it out. And here's the good part. You're going to get a 15% discount when you click the link in my description. It's going to take you to the website and I'll also leave the code in the description as well. The code, by the way, is going to be Keegan's Kitchen. That's the code. So once you type Keegan's Kitchen, you're going to get a big 15% off. This is like crazy value right here. Must try. Definitely check it out. Check out my friends over at epicfilterwaters.com, epicwaterfilter.com, and they'll take care of you. All right, so now we're going to check out the second product right here. Give me a second. This one right here. This is the Epic Water Filter Pitcher right here. It's a nice little jug, nice size. By the way, look at the package. Beautiful package. All right. The Epic Water Filters. That's a little manual right here. Nice little manual. It pretty much tells you about getting everything set up. Step 1 through, a few steps. And we're going to do that today. We're going to set it up. Ooh. All right, remove the plastic. Ooh, it looks digital. Like there's a little analog thingy. I guess it tells you how many days you have left as far as before the filter expires. But we'll get into that in a few. All right, so we're going to check out the instructions, guys. Let's see here. All right, and here it talks about Epic Water Filters. Is dedicated to revolutionizing water filtration for health-conscious consumers by offering unparalleled solutions that are not only affordable but also durable and easy to use. Hey, that's beautiful, beautiful. All right, so step 1. All right, step 1. So we have the Nano Filter Gray and Pure Filter White. We offer 2 distinct pitcher dispenser filters, namely the Pure and the Nano, aside from the color difference, with one being white and the other gray. All right, let's see. All right, guys, so you want to give this a nice little rinse. We're going to do the same thing, similar to what we did earlier with a water bottle. All right. All right, so that's good. You want to make sure this is nice and tight. All right. And we're going to rinse this as well. And we're going to wash it for about 2 to 3 times. Just to activate the filter. All right. You want to drop this right in. Just like that. Rinse this off. Close the lid. Yes, guys, so as you can see, this is a nice, beautiful, water pitcher. And the handle is like a combination of bamboo and wood. This is nice. You can tell they put a lot of, effort and a lot of thinking in making this design right here. All right, so now we're going to close the lid. We're going to add water, cold room temperature water from the tap. And then we're going to activate the timer for that 90-day filter change. As you can see right here, guys, the water is filtering right now, right in front of your very own eyes. This is the filter. The white circular shaped plastic is the filter. You pour the water up top, and it's gonna come right through, filter right through, and now you have fresh, clean tap water. Beautiful, you know, free of chlorine, lead, metal, all that bad stuff for you. Now this is like good water right here. This is the timer right here. You hit start, and then the timer will activate. All right. Yes, guys. So as you can see, the water is nice and clear. It's already filtered for the most part. This one is already filtered, and this is fully filtered. So go check them out, epicwaterfilters.com. Click the link in the description, and you'll definitely be getting a 15% off once you enter my code, which is Kegonskitchen. All right. If you enjoyed watching the video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing foodie recipes, and all that good stuff. I'm out.